G'day guys, Andrew from Ausevo here. So this is just a quick video comparing my new Ryan Hooker / Reaper 3.5 inch stainless exhaust with an Artec O2 housing in comparison to my older system, which is an Invidia O2 front pipe, a 100 cell cat, guarded cat actually, so 100 cell test pipe, and a 3 inch titanium cat back, which has all been sold now. First clip coming up now is just the original exhaust at idle. I'll stop talking and you can have a listen to that system. Okay, so second clip is the same thing but with the new exhaust at idle. Okay, so the next clip is the original exhaust, the old exhaust, just having the throttle blipped. Okay, so same thing again with my new 3.5 inch exhaust. Obviously similar. Okay, so this next clip is a drive-by at about 4.5 to 5,000 RPM. Yep, with the old exhaust. And the next clip will be the same thing, drive-by at similar kind of RPM as best I could do with the new 3.5 inch stainless exhaust. Okay, so the next clip is the same thing going the other way, but with the camera facing away from the car. This one's probably closer to 7,000 by the time I kind of accelerate. And then the same thing again with trying to do a similar thing with the new exhaust, again with the camera facing away from the back of the car. Okay, so this next clip I think is pretty much a red line run past the camera, probably 8,000 RPM or so. Oh no, sorry, no it's not, it's actually just me taking off. Mess that up, yeah, so that's just me accelerating away from the camera, and then this next one will be me going past it at higher RPM, I think probably towards redline, so maybe 7,000–8,000 RPM, giving it a bit in fourth gear. And then last but not least, just a quick clip, trip up Macquarie Pass. Now this microphone was inside the car, so this is what it sounds like inside the car, roughly, in the back seat. That's about it. So yeah, pretty happy with this exhaust. I've just got a little clip here too of the fitment underneath the car. It is good. It's really nice and tight up under the car. Sound wise, it is quieter than the old exhaust, definitely. It doesn't drone. There's no drone at all at 3,000, 2,500, 3,000 RPM in 6th gear. Literally really quite nice to drive with compared to the titanium, which was a bit raspy. When you're on it, it makes a nice scream. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's exactly what I wanted. An exhaust that really, and you've got to remember a lot of these sound clips, you're talking a 3.5-inch exhaust, so it's got a lot more flow. I've actually noticed I've dropped a bit of boost, so I'm wondering if that's because of the extra flow the exhaust gives. It does feel like it even pops out to redline a bit quicker than it used to, so I'm very impressed, very happy with the exhaust as it is. Yeah, I think it's doing the job very well. That's about it, guys, so thank you very much, and I'll talk to you all later. Thanks, bye.